The Insert menu lets you add different features to your document. You can insert an image from your computer, from the web, from the drive, and more. You can insert a table. Select the number of columns desired and rows to create a table. To create a drawing, you can create shapes, pictures, and diagrams right in your document. You can insert a link from the Insert tab. Scroll down to Link, and you would add a link to another page or to a header or bookmark in the same document. And you can also add a table of contents from the Insert tab here. You can add a footnote to your research document, and you can also add a chart. You can add a bar graph, a column, a line, or a pie chart.